Okay, this is a Bridgeport Easy Path Teach Lathe, model SD, serial number 002-065912-363. The machine is new in 2001. It's original paint. It's got a BPCT control. You have hand wheels, electronic hand wheels. You have a Dorian tool post. You have extra holders with it. There you see the chuck. That's a Jacob's drill chuck in the tailstock. And we're going to run it around for you. You see the chuck turning right now. What's that, 3 jaw?
200, yeah.
Yep, 200 RPM. You can barely hear it running. The horn and ground weighs.
That's 400.
400 RPM.
That's 600.
600.
That's 800 RPM.
800 RPM.
That's 1,000.
1,000. Okay. Again, you got horn and ground bedways. Hope you stopped it.
You can also pick. There's 2 ranges in the motor.
Again,
It's
1,000 RPM. You can see that on the screen. By the way, we replaced the screen with a new LCD flat panel.
Hand wheel.
You're moving it with the electronic hand wheels. Move that again. I'll move on the. There you go on the screen. That's the Z. And you have the X. You can also detach the carriage away from that, so it's like a car trick. Okay.
And we can also jog from up here.
It's jogging. I'm showing you on the screen. Jogging that. And then jog the other axes. Okay, I'm going to show now the actual carriage moving. In the other direction. Other axis, I mean. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Can you show the tailstock as well? Alright. Just moving the quill. You can see the quill is graduated in both inch and metric. Again, inside we have a Jacob's drill chuck. Down there inside the pan, I can't see it, but there's 2 holders down there. There you go. Tool blocks. And there's a manual. I'm going to shoot the serial number and year. We'll walk around. Put your spindle hole. Put your wire away. I guess we can shoot the inside of the cabinet.
The door's locked.
Door's locked. Okay. Oh, that's your coolant pump. All right. Thank you for watching the video.